Hello, everyone. It seems as though it's the season for nurses, and I don't want anyone to be left behind. Okay, so this is another opportunity for nursery nurse, and this opportunity comes with visa sponsorship here in London, in United Kingdom. And as you can see, that this is also from NHS Trust, Bath Health NHS Trust, nursery nurses. I don't want to make this video long. You can read the job summary here. As you can see, recruiting nursery nurses to join the dynamic team. We already have a strong team in place that will support you and work with you during your induction period to help you settle in. We offer various educational programs and in-house training to help staff develop within the role. The trust also offer places for nurses who would like to go on and do their nurse or midwifery training after working for us for a period of time. This is an additional advantage to this position, guys. Nurse and midwifery training. Okay, so don't forget that you need to have a recognized childcare qualification NVQ level 3 or equivalent or work towards it, or you're working towards it, then you will need to be highly motivated, have the ability to work as a part of a team, and a sound knowledge of the EYFS framework is essential. I don't know what that means, please, guys. You can read all of this information on this page. I'm going to attach this application link to the comment section or the description space. You can read about this organization offering this huge opportunity. It comes with visa sponsorship. I will repeat myself. If you're outside the UK and you're seeing this, you can apply and mail the company, mail the organization, let them know that you can make requests or you can ask them, are they paying for your relocation? If you're abroad, if you're outside the UK, if they are not paying, let them know if they are giving you this job, you can find your way into the UK. It saves you. It's better for you to get in that way than to lose the opportunity because you don't have relocation assistance from the company. So, guys, give this a try, give it a shot. And it's very essential that you have a level 3 qualification in childcare for young and for children and young people, the diploma in childcare and education, or the NVQ in childcare learning and development. These are also additional ones: NNEB or BTech, diploma in childcare, or Kache level 3. I don't know. But you can read all of this information, NVQ in childcare and education. It's essential that you have maybe previous experience with NHS or family. But I can tell you that that is not really a criteria not to be part of this. Experience of caring for the newborn in a healthcare. I know personally, I know nurses that have experiences in this field. They might not have every other certificate required, but they have this job experience. So if you're in this category, ensure that your CV is well packaged to let them know that you have a couple of years of experience in this field. It goes a long way, guys. I don't want anybody to sleep on this. Please apply for this job. This is from NHS, and this is one of the best job you can get so far in the UK from NHS. And this also comes with certificate of sponsorship. It's amazing. So please, guys, apply for this job. It's closing on the 19th of February. You have just few days to apply for this job. Rush it, hug it, rock it. And I wish you best of luck, guys. I wish you very best of luck in this application. If I happen to be you, I'm gonna share this to nurses around me who needs this opportunity. Just share it around, share it across, and let them also benefit. If you have people in the UK or outside the UK, they can benefit from this opportunity. And I'll be dropping my pen on this, and I'm gonna see you guys later in my next video. Bye.